My name is Nithya Raman. I'm also Program Manager of Research at the Center for Broadening Participation in STEM at Arizona State University, and I also lead some of the professional development around grantsmanship for the New York HSI STEM Hub. Sure, I think one part is that the work is not fully independent, and the mindset that I want them to walk away with is that they should be open to making authentic connections with other institutions, with their colleagues, within one another, and use every opportunity for networking, because the grants writing process is a community process as you're trying to serve your community and also do it within community. So that's the mindset I want them to walk away with, and then also not be afraid to fail. You might fail, you might succeed, but I think being perseverant and resilient in it is what I want them to walk away with.